The Southern Ocean is known for its notorious bad weather, but in May of 2018, it produced something truly extraordinary, the largest wave ever recorded in the Southern Hemisphere. A meteorological buoy anchored near Campbell Island, off the coast of New Zealand, detected a wave measuring 23.8 meters, equivalent to an 8-story building. The wave was generated by a strong storm system that produced winds of up to 65 knots and traveled thousands of miles across open ocean. The measurement surpasses the previous record in the Southern Hemisphere, which was 19.4 meters and was detected in 2017. The buoys used by researchers are giving them a unique view of the incredible storms in this little studied region of the world. The Southern Ocean covers 22% of the world's ocean area, but is the least studied. Its persistent and strong wind conditions create conditions for the growth of enormous waves, making it the engine room for generating waves that propagate across the planet. It is interesting to note that this particular wave was likely not the largest one to occur in the Southern Ocean. Since the buoy is solar-powered, it only has enough energy to measure ocean conditions for 20 minutes every 3 hours, unlike the Northern Hemisphere, which typically experiences extreme seas during the winter months. The Southern Hemisphere is a focus of frequent storm formation throughout the year. While it is a record for the Southern Ocean, it is nothing compared to the world record. The largest significant wave height ever recorded was 26 meters in the North Atlantic in 2013. The largest wave in the Southern Hemisphere still fell short of the world record for the largest wave ever surfed. That record is held by Brazilian surfer Rodrigo Coxa, who rode a wave measuring 24.4 meters, 80 feet, off the coast of Portugal in 2017. The Southern Ocean is known for its extreme weather conditions, with strong winds, high waves, and frigid temperatures. It is also home to unique marine life, including whales, seals, and penguins. Research on the Southern Ocean is important for understanding the impacts of climate change on the region, including changes in ocean circulation, sea ice, and the marine food chain.